Alright, now this is super stable on the OnePlus 7 Pro and 1080. I noticed it takes the wide angle camera away, so that might be a killer for it. These are such short rides. Picking up my Smoothie King and going back home. I'm gonna say it again, I just can't believe this car doesn't have cross traffic. Damn. Quote unquote safest car on the road. Simple feature like cross traffic. Really annoying. This guy's doing like 50 in a parking lot. Gotta love that. These ones will just cross. They could care less if the car might be flying 100 miles an hour. That's North Carolina, a few people that are watching this. If anybody's watching this. They roll out with kids on bikes. They walk across streets. And they don't even look. I could be on a phone. Looking and they're dead. And if you ask them about it, they say, well, we have the right of way. Well, when you're dead, I'll put that on your tombstone. How's that? I guess I could take this for a little bit of a ride just to see how super stable it looks. Not really a big rush to get home. Just take it on a little ride. One I did last night. Let's throw autopilot on. So autopilot is on. I'm gonna put my normal one hand on the wheel. I mean, it's stormy day. It shouldn't have any issues. Quote unquote shouldn't. Now it's going to pick up speed because the speed limit's 45. So that was a gradual speed. That was perfect. Now if I could do that with braking, it'd be a whole new ballgame. Behind me is probably saying, why is he only doing 45? I can hit the accelerator. That's another trick. When it's set to auto steer, you can press the accelerator and it'll still auto steer. Going over the limit. There's a way you can do it in the settings. I got it set at 10 over, but it really doesn't do 10 over. It's doing this like a beast. What I'll do is I'll shoot the way coming back without super stable, and we'll see how that looks during the day. As you can see, this thing's doing like a beast. I'm not doing anything. Here's going to be the fun part because it's gonna fail here. It's a little crowded. I really don't want to do it here, but maybe with a trailing car it won't fail. I don't think I ever tested this with a trailing car. This will be one of those times where it's 2 hands on the wheel, though. I don't know why we're not going. There we go. As long as this guy doesn't decide to come into my lane. Well, it would have made it, I think, if I would have trusted it, but it failed. I mean, I know it would, so. Alright, this is me driving right now. All these people are all totally confused. Typical Charlotte. I'm going to pop a UE here. Well, actually, I'm going to pull over. I'm going to turn on regular 1080 again for going back, so it's a longer video.